This is a 2006 Cadillac CTS. This car has an automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Features include a navigation system, XM satellite radio, a performance package, interior wood trim accents, the memory package, cruise control, fog lamps, traction control, a keyless entry system, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Siemer Auto Center is located at 735 South Broad Street in Fremont. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.